Hello, my dear friends. This is Anwar Ali from Technocademia, and in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create a ChatGPT account and how to write content through ChatGPT. To make it more simple and quicker, let's go to uh, Google. I will open Google from my Chrome browser, and here's my Chrome browser. Let's go. You can open it from Firefox or any browser. I'm just using Chrome for my ease, and I'm just used to it. So let's search Chat GPT in the search bar. Chat GPT. I will search, and the first website will be opening for openai.com. openai.com ChatGPT. We are openai.com as a brand, and ChatGPT as the product of that brand. You can easily understand that. So I'm going to open the first website. When you click to open the first website, you will see an interface like this. It's a long article written by ChatGPT. Here you can see more details. You can read details about ChatGPT, and in the top right corner you will see sign up button. Let's move to that to make it more simple. Sign up. It will redirect us to a sign up page where we have multiple options. If we are starting entering from the email, then phone number, then name, and then lots of things. So to make it more easier, I will just continue with Google. Keep logged in your Google account in your browser so you can access it quickly. So just continue with Google. So I already have logged in my account, but it's signed out, so I will just to click this, and I will just enter my password. See, we detected suspicious activity which shows that there may be malware on this device. Malware can be used to gain access to your control. Continue. Steps to remove malwares and something like that. It tell me to enter my password, and so let's enter my password to open it. Okay, let's go. It says get a verification code to my, I have lots of security for the email, so let's just check my another email for the verification code. I will just enter it. Sorry, it's demanding for my recovery email address. I will just start. It's a trouble, but let's go through it as well. Okay, enter a code to that I have received to my email. Let's enter this and just start. Okay, let's enter. Let's go. Now it says to create a new password, so I'm just creating a new password. Okay, I just create it and confirm. I will reload the page again. It's a bad request. Just let's see. I will just open it again, and then I will log into this account, and it's just redirecting us to the OpenAI authentication callback code. Okay, it says my username, name, let's see, let's enter it. It's a demo account, so I don't see anything like that. I will enter my phone number. Okay. Send code via SMS just to make it more easier. I'm going to receive a code and enter it in the. Okay, so I received the code. It's 746604. 746604. Get the phone number associated with an existing. So it's just I am a product or anything. I am exploring personal use just like this. Okay. So now we have an account. We done it. Okay. You can use one mobile phone number to create multiple accounts. There is no issue. So for now we are going to open a new link, not from here. If we are going there, we will see lots of instructions and codes. Our main tool is this text completion. We can generate text over there, so it will just giving us lots of steps, lots of things, and you will get confused with this. So I'm going to give you a link in my description. Just open from that link, just so this. I will post this link in my video description and just open from there. Okay, it will redirect you to the login page, to the chat page, where you can directly create content. Just start creating content. I'm going to log in. So it says your email address, and as we know that we just created our account with the email, so continue with the email. It's authenticating our account, and it will now redirect us to the chat page. So we are finally here. Now we can create content. We can, there you will look, you can see an interface like this, new chat, and yeah, it's giving examples as well. Example: explain quantum computing in simple terms, and my occasionally generate incorrect information, remembers what user said earlier in the conversation, etc. Just write it. This tool will give answers to your questions, to your queries, or anything you want to write through this tool. It will write with the help of the existing information all over the internet. I am just going to show you a demo writing. I will give instruction to this tool. I'm going to tell it to write a description for my YouTube channel, which is about technical solutions. Okay. YouTube spelling, just I want to make it okay. And I can write, if I want to use my channel name in the writing, then I will write my channel name. My channel name is Technocademia. You can give it any instruction, and just here you write your question and just enter it from over there, or you can simply click the enter button in your keyboard, just enter it. It will start generating content. It's just loading. The internet is a little bit slow, but you will have to bear with me. Okay, it's writing fast. Technocademia is a YouTube channel that offers a wealth of technical solutions for a variety of challenges. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a student, or a professional, this channel has something for everyone with engaging informative videos and like this. It's going. It will write lots of things like this. You can give instructions to this tool to write a long form articles for you, or anything. You can give it any topic, anything. It will just write for you, and the writings will be 100% plagiarism free, but still it can be detected by AI detecting tools. So You have not to use these writings for your article to post on website and things like that, because you will have to do some changes uh, to make it more professional, to make it a human generated content. So you will need some efforts with this. There are lots of tools, and I will discuss it in our next video, how you can change this content to a more professional content, and you can then upload it to your website, to your blogs, and anywhere you want. And thank you for watching our video.